black color, orange color, green color, red color, brown color, purple color, yellow color. Today we learn basic shapes. Circle, triangle, rectangle, oval, square, red color, circle. The shape is circle. Blue color, triangle, green color, rectangle, yellow color, square, purple color, oval, red color, circle, blue color, triangle, green color, rectangle, purple color, oval, yellow color, square.